How do we find the value of x from this exponential equation? Solution. So we have 9 raised power x minus 6 raised power x equals 4 raised power x. So let's divide both sides by 4 raised power x. So doing so, we are going to obtain, so on this right side, this is 1 because 4 raised power x cancels 4 raised power x. So we are left with 9 raised power x over 4 raised power x, which can be written as 9 over 4 everything raised power x minus this, the same thing with this, so we have 6 over 4 everything raised power x equals 1. So now we can write 9 over 4 as 3 square over 2 square everything raised power x minus 6 divided by 4, that is simply 3 over 2 raised power x equals 1. So now let's write this guy in terms of this. So we want to make it look like 3 over 2 raised power x. So we can write as 3 over 2 raised power x into brackets 2 minus 3 over 2 raised power x equals 1. So nothing changes. So now let's suppose we let y to be equals 3 over 2 raised power x. So we just replace y by these guys anywhere we see it. So we have y square by substituting y here because we have let it to be this minus y equals 1, which implies that we have y square minus y minus 1 equals 0. So you observe that this guy, this equation, is not easily factorizable. So it's not easy to factorize. So let's use quadratic formula. So we have minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is equals to our y. So a is 1, the coefficient of y square, coefficient of y, that is b, is minus 1, coefficient which is constant, we have c to be minus 1. So we just plug it in here. We have y equals to, what is b? Minus 1. So it takes care of this minus, so we have 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, which is our b. So we have 1 minus 4 times a, that's 4. 4 times minus 1, that's minus 4, times minus, that's this plus. So we have 4. Everything over 2 times 1, because a is 1, so we have that. So we have 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2, which implies that y equals 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Sorry for that. So now, don't forget we let y to be equals this guy. So we have y equals 3 over 2 raised power x. But this guy can be written as 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 or 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But you observe that this guy will give a negative root. So we don't want anything like a complex root. So we are going to consider this guy. So when y equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, so we have 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 equals 3 over 2 raised power x. Now let's take natural logarithm of both sides. So we have log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 equals log 3 over 2 raised power x, which implies log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 equals, this guy can be written as x log 3 over 2, because anytime we have log of a raised power b, is the same thing as b log a. It's one of the properties of logarithm. So now let's divide through by log 3 over 2. When we do that, we are going to obtain x equals natural logarithm of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 over log 3 over 2, which can also be written as x equals to log 1 plus square root of 5 minus log 2 over log 3 minus log 2, because we are, whenever we have log a over b, is the same thing as log a minus log b. That's the properties I applied here. So in this case, a equals to 1 plus square root of 5 and b equals to 2. So that is the same thing as log 1 plus square root of 5 minus log 2 by following this property. So the solution to this exponential equation is simply s equals to this. So that is it. Thanks for watching.